Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data engineering. Start with the basics of computer science. Python is a great language to learn for data engineering, offering versatility and a rich ecosystem. SQL is essential for managing and querying data, so dedicate time to mastering it. Understanding data structures and algorithms will build a strong analytical foundation. Next, dive into various database types, including both relational and NoSQL options. Familiarize yourself with data warehousing principles and how they support business intelligence. Explore distributed processing frameworks like Apache Spark for handling large datasets. Finally, get hands-on with major cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Focus on building robust data pipelines. Tools like Apache Airflow are crucial for orchestrating complex workflows. Understand the differences and applications of ETL versus ELT processes. Implement rigorous data quality checks to ensure accuracy and reliability. Practice various data modeling techniques to design efficient and scalable data solutions. Finally, delve into advanced topics like real-time streaming data with tools such as Apache Kafka. Grasp data governance principles to ensure compliance and security. Explore ML Ops fundamentals to support machine learning workflows. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain practical experience and expand your network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.